Today's mission: build the perfect paper airplane.
Wow! A space pilot!
To fly to infinity and beyond, you need the right design. I'll show you how. Step 1. Fold the paper in half, nice and straight.
Okay, fold the corners to the middle. My turn. Fold it in half again.
Now for the most important part, the wings.
Look! Look! We made real paper airplanes! My airplane needs red racing stripes.
Pilots, prepare for takeoff. On my mark!
3, 2, 1, launch! We love building and flying. Wow!
Subscribe to join our next mission. Bye-bye.